In this video, you are going to see how to type the fraction half in Microsoft Excel, as you can see here. Let's get started. We are going to apply two methods. Go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation. Now let us change the font size to 50. Go to Equation, go to Fraction and choose the fraction of your choice. Let me choose this one. Click on the upper box and type here 1 and click on the lower box and type here 2, and this is perfect. You can move it anywhere. There is another way. Click on this cell, go to Insert, go to Symbol and choose the font to normal text and go to Subset to Latin on Supplement and choose the fraction of your choice and click on Insert. Then the fraction will be inserted. Now you can increase or decrease the font size. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.